Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add debit card on TikTok. So let's get right into it. So guys, here in TikTok, we have to hit on our profile. And then we have to hit on the icon which is top right corner of the screen. And here you will see three of options. You have to hit on settings and privacy. Just hit on balance. This is the error because my account is new here on TikTok, so I will submit an appeal for it. And here I will write my date of birth. Once you're done with it, then you have to hit on next. And here you have to choose your right one. I will go with selfie with ID. Here you have to select your country. And then you have to select your document type. I will select ID card. So guys, once you're done with your pictures, then you have to hit on next. Then you have to take a selfie holding your ID card and piece of paper with this code. Now we will hit on submit. So guys, I've submit my request and they will send me email once it accept. After that, you have to hit on done. And that's it guys. After that, you will be able to add your debit card in TikTok. So guys, this is how to add debit card on TikTok. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.